Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So guys, here is the 40 by 40 house plan. So this is the G plus 1 model. You can see clearly friends, the client requirement is exactly what I have done in this project. So see, here is the main gate for car parking, and here is the small gate for walking space. And after entering the main gate or small gate, we have the garage for car parking for car area, and here is the main door. Beside main door, we have one window for ventilation, and we have a staircase which is outside the main door. So here we can go from ground to first floor. This is the staircase that a client wants exactly the half circle shape. So I have done exactly what he want. So after going on first floor, this is the main entrance. So in recent G plus 1, G plus 2 buildings, many of them are giving this side also for second portion or third portion, but client don't want the other door here, means the second portion, only he want only this one. This is the main entrance of the first floor. He did not want to separate portion from left side, because on left side another portion, means another building is there, so he want only from this side only. So this is the elevation design which I have model as per the client requirement. So this is the outer boundary wall. See the shapes, the design. The building looks exactly the client want it. So this is the exact view. You can see here. This is a render picture. So guys, if you want any elevations, interior designs, house plans, so please comment below. House plans comment, interior design comment, elevations comment, and many more. So thank you guys for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video with your friends. If you want any elevations, comment below. So guys, this is the 40 by 40 plan. I'll show the inside also. I just show the outside elevation design what I have done recently. So this is a recently project I have done. So please like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys.